Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. This video would be a quick market update analysis based on yesterday's market analysis video. Basically, yesterday BTC was around this zone when each and every influencer on YouTube, on Twitter, on Telegram, they all were bearish because of that CPI data that was released in among most high in 40 years. That was 9.1. Okay, so this video would be a quick market update video. Yesterday BTC was around this zone when each and every influencer was bearish, but I predicted clearly in complete video, in whole video, I told you that we will see a move up. Where will we target? We will target the, I told you the reason where liquidity lied in my previous market update video. So this video would be also a quick market analysis, but before we get into the video, yesterday we traded BTC as well many spot trades that I told you we are in some spot trades, and as well BTC. So we perfectly caught short on BTC from 20,300, and see these guys made much profit from our single trade. For this trade we waited from 2 days, and after 2 days we took a confirmational entry, and when we take confirmational entry, our VIPs obviously enjoyed their profits. We didn't hit any SL yet, but we suffered break evens in worst case. So for this trade, when we went short on BTC, we were waiting for this from 2 days, and then we went short on BTC from a perfect top from 20,300. See, this guy again made 246 USD from one trade, and this guy see this guy made 133 USD profit. So, and this guy also made much profit from our one trade. See, this is my VIP Discord. If you also want to make daily huge profits, you can join me on Discord. So this was the spot trade with which we traded with our VIPs, where we took confirmational entry, and obviously when we take confirmational entries, our VIPs enjoy our trades. So this is my signal section where we traded some spot trades as well. One was PNT in USDT pair. This gave us 20% non-leverage profit in between 24 hours. The other trade was OM in BTC pair. This trade took almost 48 hours, and this gave us 36% non-leverage profit. And the third trade which we traded yesterday was Firo. That was basically in USDT pair. Let me show you its signal. So here is Firo. This was the signal which we traded yesterday. You can see the time, and yesterday at 1:26 p.m. Where we traded this spot trade with our VIPs on Discord. Our entry was around 1.44, and this coin is still top gainer on Binance. It obviously hit 300%. It pumped by 300% non-leverage profit and hit all our targets, giving us 200% non-leverage profits in between 24 hours. So this was our massive spot trade that we traded with our VIPs, and within this trade we traded PNT, OM as well with our VIPs. In between 24 hours, it gave us massive profits, and DOC also we traded with our VIPs. And this is obviously my gains section where these guys post their gains, and we trade future as well spot also. So if you also want to join me on VIP Discord, you can join me, and you can trade live with me, and you can talk with me in my discussion section as well. So let's get into the video. Yesterday when BTC was around this zone, I predict a move up. Basically I explained the whole move. Why was I expecting this move up? Because those people who were short from this resistance and this two equal highs were broken. This equal low was basically responsible for all this move up, and this low was respected. That's why I predicted a move up. Okay, so and those people who were short from this resistance were quite happy with their profits, who were trailing their stop loss. For example, if you were short from that zone, your stop loss might be if you were short from here and you would trail your profit toward this zone, and your trailing stop loss might be right here, or might be right here, or might be right here. So this was the first zone where I told you that the trailing stop loss of those guys who were short from here might be right this zone. So we might see a move up towards this zone, towards this zone. And what was the next target? The next target was this order block right here, so which is actually now on my chart. It's a mystery box. Now some experts would say that it's a supply or demand zone, whatever they are, but for me I wouldn't tell you guys because it's a secret strategy. So if you want to learn this strategy with me, you can join me on my mentorship on my Discord. So we will discuss with you guys what's the reason behind this mystery box. Okay, so what is currently happening right now in market, why all other retailers are bullish right now. So they might be seeing this pattern to be as what you say, this triple bottom, or they might see that this trend line is being respected and they are long right now. Okay, so what is the reason for going long right now is we might see a possible move up in price again, might be towards this zone. Okay, so what would be the reason for that? Similarly, the reason is same as I told you guys in my previous market update video, that those people who are short from this area of resistance, they are quite happy with their profits, and their trailing stop loss are this high which just got hit, and next trailing stop loss is this high, which we can expect that price might hit the stop losses, and next target would be this. So this area is actually where is very important for price. We might see a reversal from this zone, but if price breaks this zone, then we might see a possible move up in price. So I'm personally waiting for the price to come towards this zone or either towards the dog block. Okay, so currently we are in a situation that we have to wait for our trading areas. One is this zone, which is actually a mystery box, and the other is the dog block. So we might see grab of liquidity above this high, or medication into this order block or this mystery box right here. And then we might see two scenarios. If we break above this box, then we might see a move up in price, but if we face resistance right here, then we might see a drop in price. But I will analyze that once price reaches in my this area, then I will analyze and will tell you guys obviously in the pinned comment in YouTube, and I will tell you guys on my Telegram channel as well, or I will let you guys know on Twitter as well. Okay, so what's happening right now, we might see a move up in medication into this order block right here, or once price gets into this order block, then we will analyze it for further moving up or further move down. Okay, so that's not the stuff to be discussed right now. But where is the second zone? Second zone is obviously this dog block and this recent low, which was actually responsible for all this move up. So this low is actually very important for this move up. If price fails to maintain this low, then we might see a drop in price. The drop would be significantly very bearish, which will be targeted between say 14 to 17k. But that is actually not the stuff to be discussed right now. We will analyze that in my coming video. This was today's market update video. Hope so it's clear for you that we have two trading zones right now, and we have to wait for the price to come into either of our zones. Then we will decide what to do or how to trade that. Okay, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want free trading signals. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.